Good morning, good afternoon. Today we'll be talking about functions. Functions are very important whenever we are writing code because let's say, for example, now you are in the office and your boss asks you to check if this list from this particular employee contains even numbers or there are some odd numbers in this list. You see, so if you have a list like this, you see, forget about the code for now. Okay, we just want to see the problems the function solve. This is the code for that. You see, let's try to run this one. You see, they are odd numbers. Okay, they contain some odd numbers because if you see, look at this list, then this list. Then again, the other day, your boss asked you again, can you please check this list too to see if it contains odd number? This is also a list. Okay, your boss give you this list too, so you have to write another program again to check if it contains odd number or even number. Fortunately, this one contains even numbers. So let's say again, your boss give you another list. Let's say YouTube list. They give you another list. Let's say 120, 132, 240, 256. Okay. He give you this list too to check if it contains even number or odd numbers. Okay. So let's try to write the program for this. Let's use a for loop. Say for num in YouTube list. YouTube list. Now we use if statement if num divisible by 2 is not equal to 0, then print the list contain odd numbers, odd values, you can say. So even the writing, you keep confusing yourself. Then we break. Then elif num divisible by 2 is equal to 0, and the last value of the list, that is YouTube list, the last value we take -1. We're looking at the last value is equal to num, that is the value itself. Then we print that the list is even number. Print the list is even. Okay. Else we break. Else we continue the code if none of those are met. Then we continue. Okay. So now let's check. You see, the list is even. Let's say another day again, your boss give you the same thing. You see, so this is where a function comes in. So this is it. It's very simple. Just define a function. Define a function with the keyword def. That's a define. This is the name of the function, even checker. Then we pass an argument, that is list. So now we use the same code that we check for num in list, that is this one now. Whatever list you put in here, this is the name, the default name we'll give for whatever list you put. For num in list, then you write the same code. Okay. Remember, we have 3 lists. We have 3 lists here. Okay. Okay, let's check for the list. There's another code to check for. There's another code to check for all the variables you've written. Let's take below. Let's say whos who. So these are the lists we've written. Then this list, also list. price list, YouTube list. I repeat them, that's what you see. But with this code, you can see. If you want to see them together with their properties, you can use whose. You see, the list list, the type it is a list. Also list is a list. Check norm is a function. Even checker is a function. Norm is an integer. Okay, so these are the lists we have. So now, for our code to run, let's say even checker, then we check YouTube list. Let's say YouTube list. We check, you see, the list is even. You see, then we check again for another list. We call the function even checker, then we say Dennis list. You see, they are not all even. They contain some odd values, as you can see. So let's check again for another one. Even checker, we say Ozo list. Ozo list. So see, the list is even. So see, okay, let's try to give another list again. Let's say Facebook list. Facebook list. Say 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we call our function that is even checker. Even checker, then we pass the list we just created, that is Facebook list. So you see, the list is even. So this is what a function does. Instead of writing codes repeatedly, keep on writing, you can just write a function whenever you need that function to perform a specific task for you, just call the function. So you see, now that they've given us this Facebook list, let's say we did not have this function, we should have write the code above. So instead of writing that code, we just call our function and pass the list we have, that's a Facebook list, then it does the same work. So this is what a function does. This is just the beginning. We'll be delving much into functions, starting from the basic, arguments, parameters, everything.